we are gonna throw together a bunch of stuff. It's kind of like clean out your fridge, but also make something high protein, high veg, something that we just like will taste incredible and delicious. So we've got just chicken from Trader Joe's. We've got shredded cabbage. We've got cucumbers. We have feta, bruschetta, olives, baby. We've got lemon. We've got all of our herbs that we're gonna just chop up and put in there. And then we've got some carrots, some cilantro. Throw together a chicken salad. I hope you guys enjoy. Audrey, you can wash all of the herbs, okay? Hi, Noah. Oh my gosh, right? Sit down, be quiet. Sorry.
And I was like,
we were literally quoting the Key and Peele scheme. Awesome. Because like,
were you and Dad
we
talking
had,
about-
huh?
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
No, we had these, the salad is gonna be so good. Oh.
You can even be here.
But I'm alive and breathing.
Oh.
It's all because of Jesus. And then we're gonna top it with feta. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Let's freaking go.
Oh
And this is our lunch.
my gosh.
Look at that.
Looks so good.
Are we ready?
Big bite.
Mmm. Mmm. It's a winner.
Let's do it. Oops.
Mmm. We don't even need this crap. Ah! Real life on camera. What do you think? Right? Like, this is incredible. I want this every day. Mm. Mm. Cheers. Go make this.
Oh my gosh, Mom, so good.
Mm.